If you're feeling like you want to dress up a bit, but you still want to keep that tough G-Shock look, then the MRGB1000BA-1A might be the watch for you. Comprising of a fully titanium band, case and bezel, this piece is weighty at 150 grams, which I think adds to the premium feel. It has a beautiful brush finish over the metal, and the gold and blue accents pop under light. An interesting point about the navy blue color is that it's based off the traditional Japanese color known as kachi-iro, which means winning color. This was a preferred color of samurais, often used on armor and helmets. This watch is still a G-Shock, so it's shock, water, and magnetic resistant. You're able to connect this watch to your phone via Bluetooth and use the MRG Connected app, which shows you everything about your piece. This piece is of very limited stock, so if you like the look of this watch, follow the link in the description. You can shop more of our G-Shock range at shields.com.au.